General manufacturing at Big Bear Choppers starts in the fab shop after R&D and after a product has gone through research and development and been introduced with drawings and blueprints, and the testing's been completed. The particular product, whether it be a vehicle or whether it be a new component of a vehicle, gets introduced into manufacturing. They are a part of the R&D process. What we basically do is every week raw material comes into the company from a local steel mill, and the guys go to work. We build on a demand. We don't inventory a lot of materials, so the schedule changes weekly. So one week we could be building Athenas, we could be dropping in some Merc Softails, we could be dropping in Sled Pro Streets, and the versatility that Big Bear Choppers has allows us to do that very comfortably and still meet the customer's needs and meet that ever-changing demand. Basically, the raw material starts to get cut up based off a dimension. It goes through a series of operations. One of the things we've done is we actually took a study of every part in the fab shop, every component of a frame, and looked at the processes that occur, whether that be a cut operation, a cope, a bend operation, a grind operation, a mill operation, and we actually laid out the fab shop floor in a sequence where every single part goes through a series of either 1 through 11 operations, so the flow of the parts is very small, and then the flow of the raw parts get set up into bins that you can see around the shop, and then operators and welders basically take those components, put them into weld jigs, and start to weld frames and swing arms. The sheet metal goes into the gas tank area. One of the huge investments Kevin and Mona have made in the company is lean manufacturing, and lean manufacturing is basically a series of tools, just no different to the tools that a carpenter might have in his toolbox, from a hammer and a saw, but these are basically process tools where we take different processes and we evaluate them. Every employee is using maximum basically productivity and the best usage of their time. Customers want to pay for a quality vehicle, and they want to pay for it to be done right the first time.